Welcome to the lecture of post-harvest handling technologies of the seeds and hybrid seeds. So what is post-harvest handling of the seeds? So this is the series of process or any handling techniques or the treatments can be applied after the harvest of the crops in the field, and it is for the purpose of transforming into a quality seed which will add the market value, which can increase the shelf life of the crops, or it may make the seeds as edible or eatable. So there are some post-harvest handling of the seeds. They are threshing, drying, pre-cleaning, grading, seed treating, and packaging. So these situations for bigger loss in the seeds are harvesting the seeds before it is immature or it is over matured, and threshing of the seeds with a not proper moisture content or more than 20% maybe leads to the crushing of the seed vigor, and higher moisture content seeds not dried in the proper which will give the fungal invasions. Grading of the seeds through mechanically may leads to mechanical injury. So these are all the losses and these are all the important factors in selecting packaging unit for the seed storage. So what is the objective of the harvest handling, post-harvest handling process was homogenizing the samples and improving the seed quality by these steps. So the heterogeneity occurs in the seed lot due to various following reasons as we discussed earlier. So the differences will be like seed size will be varied from small to bold, and filling will be somewhat difficult in the pods, or maybe some ill-filled or immature seeds may be seen in the pods. So density may vary, shapes may vary, surface textures may vary. Some smoothness to the textures may vary from round to wrinkled or surface to smooth may vary. Colors may vary. So these are all due to they can be rectified by the important post-harvest methods in the processing. So the main action in the processing was either it is grading, which is homogenizing the seeds based on its morphological characters, or else upgrading, which is a combination of basic grading as well as the further improvement from the grading. So advantages of the seed processing was it will remove the under or oversized inert matters, weed seeds, improves the physical purity and appearance, improves the germinability and vigor, improve the field stand, and also it gives better storability with high economic returns, and also due to its size, shape, weight and color, the market value and market appearance also will get improved. So this is the basic steps in the post-harvest process, which means or else we can receive the seeds from the field, and either we can go for directly grading or cleaning process, or we can store it for the bulk. After that we can proceed with these steps. So if we are going for the conditioning and pre-cleaning, then it is a cleaning. Then after cleaning it is a upgrading or grading. Then after that we can go for either treating and bagging. Those seeds can be either stored or sown for next season or next field establishment, or it can be shipped into the export. So these are all the different types of equipments used for the processing. Thresher, ginning machines, maize sheller, pulse thresher, tomato seed extractor, chili seed extractor, groundnut decorticator, sunflower thresher, debearder, pebble mills, and some Timothy bumper mills, hammer mills, which will remove the weed seeds, and especially mechanical scarifiers for the tree seeds. So some upgrading machines are like specific gravity separators, indented cylinder separator, disc separator, roll mill, and magnetic separator. These are all the upgrading machines which will upgrade the seeds using some specific mechanism, which means the specific gravity will divide or separate or upgrade the seeds based on specific gravity. Indent cylinder is based on the size of the seeds. This disc separator is based on the removal of weeds and general appearance of the seeds, and as well as the magnetic separator, it will remove the weed seeds from the clovers and alfalfa and trefoils and vetch. So inclined draper, the separation of smooth or round seeds from rough, flat and or elongated seeds. The electronic color sorter, separation of the off-colored seeds. The electrostatic separator based on the electrical properties that will remove the Johnson grass from the sesame seeds. The spiral separator separates the seeds based on the shape. The polishers to improve the luster of the seeds. The picker bells to remove the undesirable ears or the parts from the shelled seeds. The vibrator separates or remove the weed seeds. This efficacy of the processing is based on the complete separation of all the contaminants and minimum seed loss and upgrades the efficiency and labor requirements also. So these are all the different processing sequences in the cereals as well as the legumes or the pulses and oil seeds. And this is the model of the processing unit. Then this is also the layout of the construction of processing unit, which can be taken into an example if anybody is willing for the skilled entrepreneur in seed processing. So steps in seed processing is finally, or the post-harvest method is preconditioning, pre-cleaning, basic upgrading, grading, seed treating and bagging. Thank you.